Hey guys, so today I have filmed this look for you. It is shades of pinks and champagnes and I'm really liking it, so I hope that you do too. It's been 3 years since I posted a video, so leave me some comments and let me know what you think. I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so first I'm going to moisturize my face with Ultra Calming Serum. And then I'm going to prime my face. I'm using Wonder Glow. And then I'm going to fill my brows in. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills medium brown brow pencil. And I'm going to set my brows with this clear gel, also by Anastasia Beverly Hills. For concealer, I'm using Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm going to blend that on my whole eyelid and use that as a eyeshadow primer. I'm also going to carve out my brows so that they stay looking sharp. And I'm blending that concealer out with this fluffy brush. Now I'm going to go in with my Modern Renaissance palette. And first we're using a fluffy brush and a caramel shade and defining the crease. Now I'm going to go in with a smaller brush and this shade of pink. And I'm going to add that into my crease and my outer corner. And I'm tapping it onto the corner but swirling it in the crease. And that's going to make it appear darker in that corner, and I'm just fanning it out. That way it has a nice blown out look. And I just added a little extra on the outer corner and re-blended by the crease with the big fluffy brush. I'm going to highlight under my brow bone with this lighter color. I'm using the champagne color on the inner half of my eyelid. And then going in with my Schwing liquid liner by the Balm and doing a thick liquid liner with a sharp wing. And on top of this, I'll be adding my Ardell faux mink lashes and dark tone lash glue. So I like to let the glue get tacky before I put the lashes on. It helps them stick better. And I always use tweezers so that I can actually see what I'm doing while I'm putting them on. So then I'm going to go in with my mascara and just help my lashes stick to the fake lashes. And of course get mascara all over my face. And I'm going to be using the Lancome mascara and this big buffing brush and just massaging that into my skin. I was planning on doing a thinner coverage and I changed my mind. So now we're going in with Shape Tape. And I'm just buffing that out with the same brush. So I went a little too heavy under the eye, so I'm really doing some damage control now and buffing that, you know, down into my face. So I'm going to contour with my NARS bronzer in Laguna. I like to do a heavy line first and then buff it out. And of course, get them chins and that forehead. I'm going to add some really soft blush. This is called Dainty, and it has like a really pretty shimmer. And then, of course, honey, we are going to highlight these cheekbones. This is Champagne Pop because what else would I use, right? Come on. While we're at it, I'm just going to highlight my whole face. Let's be real. Yes. Okay, so now I'm going to do the lips. I'm using Kylie Jenner's lip liner in Dolce K. And then I'm going to be using a Stila All Day liquid lipstick in Caramello. And I'm just tapping it out with my finger so it's a little more sheer. And of course, I'm going to set my face with All Nighter because I swear by this stuff, it is the best. Alrighty guys, here is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Leave me some comments. Again, let me know what you think. Any suggestions you have for future videos, I would love to make them. But yeah, leave me a comment, like, subscribe, share. Thanks guys. Bye. Amelia, say hi. Oh, say hi. Say hi to the camera. Them chins, I love them. I love them chins, yes. Say hi, guys. Yes, I can hold my head up, yes I can. You know, it's not an outtake if you don't have spit up on your shoulder. Ain't that right, kid? Ain't that right?
Say bye. Say thanks for watching.